What is up, everyone? So this is 𝑔𝑂𝒍𝒂𝒃 here, your favorite illustrator from Serene Arts. So today I'm going to show you how I edit my videos in Kinemaster. Now I've been getting a lot of messages both on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook asking me how I do edit my videos in Kinemaster. Alright, so today I just want to show you that quickly in Kinemaster. Now, so all that you have to do is to come to Kinemaster. When you come to Kinemaster, this is what you have to do. This is the interface. I'm using the premium version. Okay, I bought it from Google Play Store. Okay, so when you come to the interface, this is how it will look like. So what you have to do is to tap on create new. So when you tap on it, we have different aspect ratios over here. We have 16 by 9, 9 by 16, 1 by 1, 4 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, and the last one. Okay, so the one that YouTube recommend, or the YouTube standard size, is a 16 by 9. Okay, and the 9 by 16 is mostly used for IG, this one IGTV. Okay, and 1 by 1 you can use it for Instagram and stuff like that. Okay, so all that you have to do, since you are coming to post a video on YouTube, make sure the first one is selected. Now you can just scroll down a bit and name your project. Okay, so you can name it, let's say Serene Arts video editing. All right, let me give it that name. All right, so what I have to do is to tap on next. Okay, so over here I will be asked to choose a background for my work. Okay, I'll be asked to choose a background for my work, and personally I have created a background for my video editing already. So I will just go ahead and locate it, okay, and pick it up. But if you don't have a background for your work, that is not a problem at all. Okay, that is not a problem at all. All I have to do is to use the image assets over here. Tap on any image at all you want and tap on this sign. Then you have it like this. Then you can go ahead and use this space for editing. All right, that is if you don't have a background created for yourself already. So I'm going to use the background I created for myself, so I'll just go ahead and delete this one. Okay, so all I have to do is tap on media. From media I'll pick up whatever I want to pick. So let me locate my Kinemaster folder quickly and bring it up. Okay, so it should be down here. Good, it is right here. So this is the background I've created for myself, okay, for the YouTube video editing for Serene Art. Now, before you even come here to edit your videos, somebody will ask, what do you use to record your videos? Now, I use S Recorder. Okay, I use S Recorder. It's a free app that you can use. Just get it from Play Store or whichever device that you're using. Just get it on your phone. Okay, I'm going to leave the link in the video description so that you go ahead and download it. All right, so once you download it, open it, use it to record your phone screen. Okay, record your phone screen. I do it in two ways. One, I do record the phone screen with my voice over. All right, as I'm editing, I'm doing a voiceover. The second one is I'll record the phone screen without the voiceover, and I'll come to Kinemaster and add a voiceover to it. So let me quickly go ahead. I assumed I've already recorded the video already. The video that I'm going to use, I've already recorded it, okay, with the S Recorder. So all that I have to do is to import the video and bring it into my working space. So look at what I'm going to do right now. I'll tap on layer. Once I tap on it, I'll tap on media. So this will allow me to bring in the video that I want to use. So let me quickly locate one random video that I recorded recently. Okay, so let me pick this up here. Okay, I'll use this video for it. Okay, so once I bring in the video like this, the video will be selected. Now if I want some parts of the video to be off, okay, I want to cut some part of it. Let's assume I'm cutting out the black portion of it. I'll come to cropping. Okay, I'll tap on cropping. If I select cropping, you can see this thing has highlighted around my video. So I'll just push it to this side and push this one to cover the black side, and after that I'll tap on a check mark and the black side is gone. Okay, it's gone. All right, that is it. And if you are not okay with that one and you still want to remove it, you use the same step, just make sure you tap on the layer, which is the video layer, and go down to crop. Okay, then you do all that you want to do. Okay, so once you are okay with it, you tap on a check mark again. All right, so it's as simple as that. Now what do I do next after this? You see my videos, most of them, they have something under them like a cast shadow. All right, this is how I do it. Okay, but before I show you how to do that, quickly let me increase the size of my video, okay, a little bit. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is to use this arrow over here to drag. Okay, once I drag it down, the size of my video increase. Once I drag it inside, the size reduces. So it is as simple as that. Okay, now let me bring in right here. Now you can see there are some red lines popping out vertically and horizontally. Now if you see this vertical one, it means your video has been centered. All right, it has been centered. Now if you bring it down or you bring it up, you see the horizontal one like this. That means your video has been centered horizontally, but I have to bring it down a little bit, okay, so that the top design over there will be showing. Now after this, what do I do next? Okay, I want to add a shadow effect to it. Now to add a shadow effect, I'll just tap on this layer. Okay, you tap on layer, go to media, then tap on image assets. All right, then I'll pick the black one over here. Once I picked it, I'll just come and increase the size of it a bit. After increasing the size of it, I'll scroll down to crop. Okay, and I will just crop it down a little bit like this, just like this. After that, I'll tap on mask. Okay, so from the shape, I'll tap on shape and I'll select the second one. Sometimes so I do select the circle. All right, so tap on the shape arrow pointing backwards, then come and increase the feather. Okay, increase the feather. So once you are okay with creating this feather, all right, just make sure that you are okay with it first. Once you're okay, tap on this crop arrow back again. Okay, so after that, you can come and reduce the opacity. So tap on alpha into bracket opacity. Once you tap on it, you reduce it to your satisfaction. Then you tap on the check mark like this. Now come back and select the black layer and go to these three dots right here at the left corner. Tap on send to back. When you tap on send to back, it will automatically send your black shape, okay, the one that you just cropped and reduce the opacity of it. It will send it to the back of your video. So now pull it down a little bit. Okay, so once you pull it down a little bit like this, it will do this shadow effect at the bottom of your video like this. So it is as simple as this. Then you just have to just stretch it to occupy the entire timeline, okay, of your video. So once you've done it like that, you are good to go. Your video will be appearing like a 3D format, just like this one. Okay, so that is how I edit my videos. Once you are done, you just tap on this arrow at the top here, then you save it. Okay, tap on save as video. All right, then you are good to go. Okay, so basically that is how I edit my videos in Kinemaster. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like this video, also leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification. All right, I have a lot of videos coming up that will literally blow your mind and increase your creativity with smartphone. All right, so stay tuned.